I have had a few people ask me how to set up the sound alerts for their subscribers, so let me show you how to do it. It's honestly super easy, and if you've used Sound Alert's website already, then you're already a step ahead. So there's two different ways that you could get to this website and extension. You can either go straight to the Sound Alert's website itself, or in your Twitch creator dashboard, go to extensions and just search up Sound Alerts, and it will be the very first one. This is where you can configure everything, and it will take you to the dashboard. Once you're in Sound Alerts, you're going to go to Library, and this is where you're going to find all of the fun sounds that you can use. There's a lot of short ones, a lot of loud ones, a lot of scare ones, a lot of fun party ones. I specifically like this party filter. This is where I find all of my fun songs to vibe to, and you can just scroll through them until you find some ones that you like. You can even preview them and see if you like the sound, because sometimes the titles don't always tell you what exactly it is. You can add some to favorites if you don't know yet if you want to add it, or if you already know you want to add it, just click open and add it to the extension. You can add it to channel points too, but if you want it to work for subscribers, add it to your extension, and then we will mess with it more in the settings area. So once you found a few sounds, go to My Alerts, and this is where you will find all of your alerts. Now, normally they will come automatically where it will have a certain amount of bits, and the volume will pretty much be all the way up, which I highly recommend messing around with that and figuring out a good volume, because some of these can be very loud on stream. Now, the way you can set these up for subscribers only is I recommend turning the bits all the way down so that they're free for your subscribers, and click this button that says only for your channel subscribers. So normally it will say everyone can play this alert. If you click it on, it will only be for your subscribers. And you can do that with as many sounds as you want. I have every single one of my sound alerts for my subscribers. I feel like it's just an extra little thing to give them. And there's new sounds put on there quite often, so I recommend always looking back on there and seeing if there's new sounds that you want to add, or maybe even getting your subscribers' input on what they would like to hear. It is that easy to set up. I feel like this is an amazing thing to add to any stream. It's super fun. It's super interactive. So I hope you enjoy it. Okay, bye guys.